everybody. Hey, thanks for stopping by my YouTube channel, checking out this video on the product tutorial and review of the Pampered Chef microplane. And let me tell you, this has come out of complete frustration on my part for not figuring out how it actually works. So, without further ado, last week was my first time actually having this in my hand. I was at my director's house. We were having a little holiday get together, and I asked for a microplane so that I could grate some hard cheese on top of my salad. And they handed it to me, and they handed it to me just like this. And I couldn't figure out how to open it, and I knew that wasn't right because this shouldn't be closed. And so someone said, use your thumb. So I'm trying to push on this button, which actually isn't a button. Anyhow, so I couldn't get it done, and I handed it back. I'm like, forget it. So they opened it, I used it, I come home, I grab mine out of the box immediately. I gotta figure this out, right? And I'm trying and trying and trying, and I can't figure it out, and I'm ready to just go forget it. We're not even gonna try to sell that product. It's useless. Things shouldn't be so difficult. They're supposed to make your job in the kitchen easier. Okay, so, it's not a button. It doesn't move. The handle moves. You use your thumb as resistance. I hope you can see that handle moving, just like that. And it's so easy once you figure it out. And then you can close it. So you can go 100 times if you want, because you're so ecstatic that you got it open. Anyhow, so let's talk about the actual microplane. The blade's made in the USA by Microplane that comes with a protective shield so that you don't catch a knuckle or a fingertip when you're digging it out of your utensil drawer. It has two positions. It has it has an angle position. So this would get rid of your box grater, and then it has a full open position. Now you can use this on top of a bowl, or you can use it while you're grating over pasta plates, salads, that kind of thing. So then each microplane also comes with a food holder. I call it a fingertip protector, but this allows you to put an item in here on the microplane, grab it. See those little prongs in there? Then you grab it, and then you use this as your guide for grating, and it saves your fingernails, it saves your fingertips, saves the palm of your hand if you're trying to hold a piece of cheese really flat. It works great. The blades are very sharp. And let me show you how we use it for two different style cheeses. So first, this is a hard cheese, a Pecorino Romano. And if you were just gonna grate it over someone's pasta dish, you would just do this, like that. These are nice little short grates, just like, but if you wanted a longer grate, if you wanted it a little fancier, then you would go the long side down. And then you get these nice long shreds of this wonderful Pecorino Romano cheese. Makes the plate look beautiful, adds to your salads. So that's how I do hard cheese. I just have a piece of paper towel wrapped around the bottom. Now, if I was gonna do a softer cheese, like a cheddar cheese, I'm gonna put the food protector onto the grater, and I'm gonna put the cheese in the box, and I put the cover on, and then I take this base and I push it down until it's flat. Or, actually, my cheese is too tall, so it'll go down in just a second. You use your finger to depress, and then you start grating. Now you see how the box has come flat because I got rid of that 1/4 of an inch. And you just grate, just like you normally would any kind of cheese grater. And the shreds come out beautiful. Delicious cheddar cheese is one of my favorites. And that is how you save your fingertips, your fingernails, your knuckles, and the palm of your hand using the Pampered Chef microplane grater. comes in 2 sizes. This is the big grate. There's also a fine grate. Thanks for stopping in. I hope you now can enjoy your Pampered Chef microplane without getting as frustrated as I did. Have a great day.